Sir, in the budget speech on urban development, in the budget speech, sir, was kept in the 5th priority. However, given the crumbling nature of existing urban infrastructure, the need of the hour is a complete urban revamp, sir. There has been significant increase in the large cities in India, with 53 cities now boasting of populations exceeding 1 million, sir. Sir, hype and projections of progress is one thing, and realities on the ground is another, sir. The government hasn't been able to handle this dramatic increase, as evidenced by the increasingly failing urban infrastructure, threatening public safety. Despite an almost 58% increase in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs budget since 2019-20, urban areas, particularly Tier 2 cities, sir, continue to grapple with issues such as shortages in housing, encroachments increasing, slums expanding, environment degrading, garbage disposal missing, electricity hiccuping, sanitation sighing, healthcare weeping, water supply wailing, sir, traffic sobbing, pollution choking, dust flying, stray animals prowling, sir, substandard infrastructure collapsing. Sir, these are the issues that we are grappling with. Consequently, the common city citizen is in anguish and despair. Implementation of policy decisions by the local self-government bodies also is an issue, sir. For instance, rainwater harvesting was made mandatory while giving permission for new construction, considering the rapidly groundwater depletion. Implementation is zero, sir. Why we don't have a mechanism to audit this before certification of building completion, sir? This is not done. Many have spoken about Smart Cities mission, which is a failed mission. Reduction in allocation by 70% is a clear reflection of its pathetic performance. There are 8 cities from Maharashtra under the scheme. Till February 23, 7 of these 8 cities had not been completed, with the lowest completions being in Pune, 26%, Nagpur, 15%, Kalyan, Dombivli, 10%. Rather than being transformed into models of modern urban living, these cities continue to grapple with basic issues, failing to live up to the smart city labels. The Amrut scheme was aimed to provide critical infrastructure like drainage facilities. Nearly a decade later, our cities are far from regenerated, sir. Instead, they are in a worse state than ever before. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, also a failed scheme, sir. Sir, mass rail transit systems and metro projects constitute about 30% of the budget. According to the 18th Standing Committee report, the progress of metro projects in many cities is alarmingly slow, both physically and financially. The committee has noted a troubling trend of announcing metro projects without proper feasibility studies, resulting in poor ridership and a wasteful expenditure of valuable resources. The Nagpur metro is a prime example, sir, of these failings. A CAG report has highlighted several irregularities, including a lack of transparency in tender evaluations. Contracts were awarded to bidders who did not submit essential documents, and rates were increased after contracts were awarded. Major works were handed out as additional tasks to contractors already involved in other projects, bypassing proper tendering processes. In a glaring instance of poor planning, the location of the new airport station was chosen despite sparse population and poor accessibility, resulting in an average daily ridership of only 47 passengers over 18 months against 5,474, sir. Sir, these instances point out to a failure. At the end, I will only say, sir, because my time is running out, that the ministry has to write the destinies of cities. Likhna nahi aata to meri jaan padha kar. हो जाएगी तेरी मुश्किल आसान पढ़ाकर, पढ़ने के लिए तुझको अगर कुछ न मिले तो चेहरों पे लिखे दर्द के उन्वान पढ़ाकर। थैंक यू सर।